Hi everyone, it's time for another unboxing. My Amazon box has got 3 more kits in it. So let's see what's next. I got my spinner. Sorry about that, the cat took my attention for a second. Okay, we're going to spin and see what we get. What is going to be our next unboxing? Car. Alright, let's set up the car. This one is Herbie Bug. My mother-in-law loves Herbie, so this is going to be a gift to her. I don't know if she will watch these or not. If she's watching, hi Len, I love you. So this will be a gift to her. If she sees it, well, it won't be a surprise. Of course, you get your tray, pen, and wax, and a little bit of, did they give? No, they didn't give you bags this time. Usually they have bags for spares. So I can put that on my pile. Here's the diamonds. We'll work, well, we don't need that pen. Pen is gone. Bye, pen. Okay. The diamonds. Let's put the diamonds in the Herbie bag. Right there. Every time I do a new video, I change the camera a little bit. Move the table a little bit. Because I'm trying to get good angles. I'm trying. We're trying. So, let's get these out. There's the little ones. Move over, Herbie. There's the colors. That's for one. And fold that over. And then, is there another? No, no more. So look at all the colors we have. Look at all of them. We have a lot. That's a lot of diamonds. And I just lost my canvas. So you gotta stay up here. Don't jump into the cat water. No swimming on duty. So, we're going to fold these down to where I know they will fit in the bag. And make sure to get the little baby set too. And we can zip this up. This is ready to go in my under bed storage because I've got a lot of paintings. And I will put this on the wheel. And then when it comes time for me to have a project, we can spin to see what project we get after I do the 2 Easter ones. Okay, throw that over. Get it out of the way. And here is Herbie. Isn't that cute? She is going to absolutely love this. Because she loves Herbie. This last Christmas, we got her a Herbie shirt and Herbie movies. And, yeah, she loves Herbie. Uh-oh, I got a cat stuck. Push it. Good girl. We got a new litter box that's more like enclosed where it has the flap. And they're used to one that you just jump in. So they're both getting used to it. And sometimes the flap is inside instead of outside. And she's got really headbutt it. She's figuring it out. She's doing good. Let's see. Did that help any? Okay. Let's fold this one. What we can do here. Once we get this all smoothed out, this will go with all the other paintings in the hanging up in the garment bag. The suit bag. That's behind me. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. This is gonna be nice. Look at his colors. And we just barely put that on there. And let's scrape. See if we can get it any flatter. Oh, that's working pretty good this time. Can we go this way? You're still going to have a little bit. It's never going to be perfect. But as long as it's better. So it has that fighting chance when it's hanging. But I can tell a big difference already compared to what I have compared to not. There's a lot of wrinkles on this side. But if I was rolled up, stored in a warehouse, and mailed, I would be wrinkly too. Okay. Are we going to get any flatter? Let's go this way and see. Oh, it's helping a little, I think. Seems like it. Okay. Oh, that's a lot better than what it was. Okay. This one is ready to get hung up. I'll put Herbie on the wheel. So when it comes time to start a project, we'll spin it and see which one we get. I have until December for this one, so if it takes a minute to get it, that's fine. I have time. Alright. Well, with that, the unboxing is done. This is ready to get hung up. The beads are ready. The diamonds are ready to go under the bed. And with that, I'm gonna say, hope you have a good day or evening. I don't know when you'll be watching this, but know that you are welcomed here. We love you. We're your friends. We will not tolerate bullying or trolling. You will be blocked, because I want this to be a safe place for all ages. Because I did look up, and children, they're saying around 6 years old. I looked on the internet. Around 6 years old is pretty good. Definitely not under 3, because obviously those diamonds are very small, and that's so much of a not really so much a choking hazard, but if it got ingested, that would be a big tummy ache. So 6 and older, from what I could find. I'm sure under 6, if they were supervised 100%, that's mom and dad's call. That's not Aunt Jill's call. So, with that, good night or good day, and you stay healthy, stay safe, know you're loved, you're welcome, and there's no judgment here. Bye. see you next time.